Hi, I'm attorney Rick Russo, and you're watching Rick's Tips. Today we're going to talk about underinsurance coverage. We previously spoke about uninsured motorist coverage, which is coverage in case a person who causes an accident doesn't have insurance. But what if they have insurance, but it's not sufficient to compensate you or your family for all of the harm you've suffered? Did you know that in Pennsylvania, a driver is only required to have $15,000 of liability insurance coverage? Suppose a person is seriously injured and the driver only has $15,000 of insurance. What do? Well, if you have underinsurance, you're fully protected. Rick's tip: always purchase underinsurance coverage. Don't ever reject that type of coverage. If you have any other questions regarding accidents or insurance coverage, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Rick Russo, and I'm only a phone call away.